going to Mr. King's house.
Mr. King's house.
For a cup of tea and a good
Dr.
scary
Martin
book.
Luther King. No, we're not going to Martin Luther King's house.
Come on,
Which
Tim.
king are you talking
Stephen
about?
King.
Stephen King.
The only Stephen King.
Why is Stephen King so prominent here in Bangor, Maine? Middle of nowhere.
Why? Huh. Glad you asked him.
Funny thing.
Funny thing. Coincidentally, he lives here. Pet Cemetery was based out of the cemetery out of Bangor, Maine. We're hoping to see Mr. King today, walking around, maybe mowing his lawn, maybe writing a book.
The manhole right there is where it came out and grabbed the boy's arm. Feels like we're in Los Angeles all over again on like one of those Hollywood Walk of Fame tours.
Yeah?
We're self-guided right now. And we're dragging a 30-foot Airstream.
Yeah.
50 feet of love coming at you.
Stephen King, 800 feet. Black Gate.
Oh yeah, that's totally it.
Yeah.
Should we just drive straight in? He's home. It looks like he's home.
Oh,
Everybody,
let's
he's
go,
home.
Let's go inside. Yeah, that's his house. Oh man.
Can we stop on the side of the road?
I don't. Maybe. Gates are open. Yeah, that's it. Cool. What do you think?
We made it.
Yeah, that was easy.
Just a little impromptu lunch with some Cajun French fries, some fresh fish from Nova Scotia still. We're trying to do a visit to Boston today. Apparently there's some sort of freedom trail that runs you through all of Boston, or most of Boston. Run us through some historic sites. We did spend a little bit of time last night and found the General Hooker entrance. Had a little bit of fun with that, so maybe we'll find it again today. We've really got two options to get to Boston. The first one is the obvious one, driving. We're about 15 miles away, but it ends up being a little bit over an hour. We opted for option number two, which is jump on a ferry. It's a little bit more expensive, but once you start thinking about parking with an oversized vehicle, we thought it's worth the extra couple bucks. Watch us. Boston. Made it. So don't get fooled by that ferry. We took about 30 minutes to get here. But again, sure beats that hour drive that it would have taken, plus the parking and blah, blah, blah. Boston's got a ferry system that will get us to Charleston from Long Wharf. So now we're just walking over there to catch it. Got it. Commuter ferry ticket. Got off the ferry. It's a 10-minute ferry ride. $3.50 per ticket. Gets you here in 10 minutes. We're going to the visitor center to start the Freedom Trail. Get some information. I think on this side we got Bunker Hill. We've got USS Constitution. We've got a beautiful view of the city.
What more can you ask for?
God bless America. So it's almost 4 centuries. Well, it's over 3 centuries old. It's the only ship to sail in 4 centuries, 4 different centuries, right?
Yeah,
1797, 1897, 1997, 2097 at this point, but old ship. Cool, they let you go down 3 levels. You get to see most of the ship, but not all the ship. It's free. I can't believe that we were only a block away from this yesterday.
Oh yeah, we walked right past
We walked right by it.
this.
I had no clue. Very cool. Boston Tea Party started here. No big deal. They just hated all the taxes and they just decided to throw a bunch of tea overboard. They also disputed British rule here and Boston Massacre. I guess you could say the American Revolution started here. Oldest school in America, established in the 1600s. Paul Revere,
Sam Adams,
John
Hancock, Ben Franklin, and Charles Goldfinch.
Nothing here but bricks now, but you know. The State House here, I think it was Paul Revere and Sam Adams laid the cornerstone for it. And then Hancock's house was right over here.
Right.
So I'm walking by the sign and I'm like reading it going, okay, direction, we're going this way. And then I'm like, wait, General Hooker entrance. General Hooker entrance. Worth looking into. So I'm walking and walking and walking and walking going, okay, General Hooker's. Like, this might be a fun entrance. Might be the party entrance for all I know. And then I get to this entrance and I'm like, oh, Hooker's a person and he was a general.
Yeah.
Joe Hooker, also known as General Hooker or Fighting Joe Hooker. This is his entrance. Lost in battle to Robert E. Lee. You know what happens when you get second place in wartime, right? You get a statue.
You get a statue.
First place loser.
That's a wicked rain.
Wicked rain.
Wicked. Wicked. Boston wicked.